Blockchains are a type of database that have been proven to be very secure in storing data. The most common blockchains used by many cryptocurrencies are distributed ledgers. The ledger is a database shared and synchronized between many people and systems. We're going to use dominoes as an example. When data is recorded in a blockchain, everyone who has access to the blockchain is updated with the new data. Each block in the blockchain contains data, hash of the block, and hash of the previous block in the chain. The data in the cryptocurrency blockchain usually contains information about who sent the currency, who received it, and how many coins the transaction involved. The hash of the block is like a fingerprint. It is a code that is unique to a block and identifies it. When data is changed in the block, the hash will also be changed. The hash of the previous block in the chain is also stored in the next block. Each domino has two numbers on it. The upper number represents the hash of the block, and the lower represents the hash of the previous block. The line in the middle can represent the data contained in the block. The second domino in the line has the same number or hash as the preceding domino. This is also the same for the third and fourth dominoes. The first domino, or block, has no previous hash to record, so we call this block the genesis block. Using blockchains is also a secure method to record transactions because of the verification required. If any data is altered on the block, the hash will be changed for that block, making all following blocks invalid. Since computers are capable of altering hundreds of thousands of hashes every second, we can mitigate that risk with the proof of work mechanism. Proof of work is a process that requires a set period of time to create a new block to be added to the blockchain. The computers that create these blocks are called miners. They are rewarded with the token they are mining as incentive. This method is effective because it would take an incredibly long time for someone to be able to alter potentially thousands of subsequent blocks in a chain and validate again. Another risk mitigation mechanism is the use of peer-to-peer network. When someone joins the network, they get a full copy of the blockchain. Whenever a new block is added to the chain, it's checked with each node to verify that it has not been modified. If the block comes back clean, it's added to each node's copy of the blockchain. At least 50% of the nodes must verify the block in order for it to be added to the blockchain. So, hashes, proof of work, and the peer-to-peer network combined help to ensure the validity of information in blockchains.